not a lot has been going on Bitcoins semenjak minggu lepas, right? Kita berada dalam range ini lebih kurang 4% naik dan turun, tak ada direction yang betul, tak ada direction yang jelas. But walau bagaimanapun, kita dah dapat a few really good trades. We started the week with a very nice Litecoin long, right? Bukan saya saja, but a lot of the members also took this long position. And we ended the week with a very, very massive ACH short. Yeah, not only me, tapi member lain pun telah dapat profit yang sangat besar dari position ini. Okay, so if you guys nak join and nak follow along, nak tengok exactly bila saya entry, bila saya exit, bila saya TP, SL, break even, whatever, I share everything in the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Saya akan letak link di bawah. You guys boleh join. I'll see you guys there. Now, di hujung video ni, saya nak bagi giveaway untuk barang rare. I'm going to do a giveaway untuk barang rare. This is mechanical keyboard dari Bybit, armrest dan juga mouse. Dan benda ni ada tanda tangan Ben Zhao, CEO of Bybit. Barang ni rare sebab bukan semua influencer pun dapat ni ya. Not all influencer dapat ni. Okay. But I'm going to do a giveaway sebab saya dah ada mouse. Right, saya dah ada mouse. Saya dah ada keyboard. So, kalau saya simpan benda ni, dia akan berabuk saja sebab saya tak guna. So, kalau you guys nak dapatkan barang rare ni, make sure you stay till the end. Saya akan bagi tahu exactly how to get this. Okay. Now, let's get started with our analysis and the levels yang saya nak trade. So, bila kita ada range macam ni, nothing is nampak macam tak ada benda yang sedang berlaku. Tetapi behind the scenes, we know that liquidity is building up above and below the range. Okay, so when we have liquidity building up above and below, we wait for one side to be swept first. Okay, kalau kita open a liquidation heat map, we can see that let's go to 1 week liquidation heat map. So below at around 82.9 all the way down to about 82, we have liquidity sitting there, and above at about 86. So 82 and 86 we have liquidity zones. Now kalau kita tengok kita zoom out sikit, tengok time frame besar, 8286 and up here at about 89 kita ada 200 juta. Okay, so this is a very juicy zone at about 89. So my bias for now ialah I would like price to come lower, sweep the liquidity below here, reclaim and target the higher liquidity levels at 86 and also 89. So, kenapa saya nak enter long di bawah sini? Sebab, remember, we are still in this much bigger range. Okay, we are in this much bigger range. So, if we do come down below the monthly open, kita sweep liquidity at around 82, yeah, we will also be touching some key Fibonacci levels. Oops. Right, we have the 0.5 lining up with the monthly open dan kita punya liquidation level at 82. So ini dah menjadi level yang menarik untuk long. Tapi kalau if we drop even lower, we have the 618 golden level and the value area low of this big time frame range. So apa-apa pun, kalau kita datang ke bawah, kita ada support level yang valid untuk enter long between 81 and 82,000. And our targets would be above here at about 86.6, and next target would be at about 89. Okay, so ini menjadi level atau zone yang menarik between 82.5 to 81. So this is where I would be looking for a long position. Kalau kita tak dapat long dari sini, right, then we still have this untapped order block, right, whatever you want to call this lah, support lah, panggil support je lah, senang. We still have this level down here. So kalau kita turun lebih rendah, we could even see a sweep of these double bottoms. Liquidity built up here, liquidity built up here. We could even see a sweep here. This again becomes another interesting level to take a long position from. Okay, so kita tak nak short bila kita di bawah sebab kita nak sell high and we want to buy low. So bila harga turun ke support, kita nak buy di support. Now, untuk senario sell pula, of course we want to sell kalau kita dah break ke atas when we reach this value area high 88, dan bila kita dah sweep liquidity di sini, then we can look for a short position up here. But for now, my bias ialah untuk cari sebuah long position. Okay, my bias ialah untuk cari sebuah long position. Okay, now let's get into the giveaway. So just a very quick update. Let's get into the giveaway. Macam mana kalau you guys nak dapatkan barang rare dari Bybit ini, saya akan post directly kepada rumah awak. Okay, if you guys nak dapatkan ni, apa you kena buat? Saya akan letak satu link in the public Telegram channel. Okay, I will put a link where you guys have to register your Bybit account. Kalau you orang Malaysia dan you buka website dari Malaysia, you will have to use a VPN, ya. You will have to use a VPN sebab Bybit currently in the process of dapatkan licensing di Malaysia. So the website is temporarily restricted di Malaysia. Tapi you boleh buka menggunakan VPN, register menggunakan VPN. Bila you dah buka account, you can do KYC, deposit, withdraw semua macam biasa. Alright, so make sure you guys open your account menggunakan link saya with my referral code. Deposit at least 200 USD. Sebab ini barang rare, saya tak nak bagi kepada siapa-siapa, ya. Right, saya nak orang yang berkualiti saja. Okay, dan yang suka guna Bybit. Because this is barang Bybit lah. Come on, we have to be fair to Bybit juga. Okay, dan saya akan pilih salah satu korang. Alright, I will open the Telegram channel sini. Saya akan buka chat. Right, bila dah siap, ya, you guys masuk kepada Telegram channel ni. Saya akan letak link untuk Telegram channel ni di bawah. Saya akan letak link untuk Telegram channel ini di bawah in the description. Join the Telegram channel. Right, siapkan buka account Bybit, deposit, and then in the Telegram channel type done, whatever lah. Saya akan buat satu post yang baru dengan instructions semua dalam Telegram channel ini. Okay, so itu saja. It's going to be very very simple, very straightforward. All the best. Siapa yang dapat benda ni, jangan je saya nampak korang jual balik sebab ini benda rare. Nanti Bybit pun marah saya sebab saya bagi kepada you guys. Okay, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.